Hello everyone, this is Daniel with fitnessblender.com. Today we've got a really quick HIIT routine for you. We don't have a warm-up or a cool-down included with this one, so you'll want to get both of those in on your own. It's going to be about 12 minutes long. We've got 6 different exercises in 2 different groups, and we're going to be going through them in a Tabata style of 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. So you don't need anything for this except for your body weight. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and start in with our first group. We're going to be doing each one of these for 20 seconds, 6 exercises through, and then we're going to start back over and do them all one more time. Let's start it up. We're starting off with a jumping lunge. So pick whichever side you want to start forward with. We're just going to drop straight down and then alternate at the top. So squat down, jump and switch. Just alternate back and forth. Try to get a nice low lunge every single time, keeping your torso straight up and down. Just keep those lungs open, just bouncing back and forth. All right, let it rest for just a second. We're going to do walk downs next. So step back just a little bit. You're going to go straight down towards your toes and then walk out to a plank, back up. So down, walk out, full plank, and right back up again. Just speed it up as you get more comfortable with it. Relax. All right, we're going to do a squat jack next. So you're going to be squatting down in a static squat position. Hop your feet in and out. Just go down nice and low. And just hopping back and forth. Just stay down here, getting comfortable, just moving those feet back and forth. If you need to, if you start getting tired, feel free to just step out, but staying in that squat. Otherwise, keep those feet moving. You feel it's quite a bit through those quads. Let it relax, shake those legs out a little bit. We're going to do a push-up, knee up, so down in a plank position, push-up position. You're going to drop down in that push-up, bring one knee up out to the side, back up, down, and then the opposite side. If you want to do it a little more smooth, combine the motion together. Always do this off your knees if you need to. All right, let it relax. We're gonna do lateral jumps next. Try to take a deep breath, recover as best you can between. And start. Just stay low. All that momentum or all that power moving you laterally rather than up and over. So stay low. Keep those lungs open. Let it relax. We're doing burpees next. Drop down, kick those feet out, right back up. If you want to make this movement a little harder, feel free to add a little jump at the top. Otherwise, just come to a full standing position. All right, let it relax. We're going to start right back through all of those. So back to jumping lunges. And start them up. Keep that chest straight up and down. Right over top of those hips. And let it relax. All right, doing walk downs next. Straight down towards those toes, walk out with those hands, full plank, and right back up. Back up. All right, we got squat jacks next. Remember staying down nice and low. Drop it and hop those feet in and out. Keep those lungs open. Push up, knee up next. So down in a push up position. Starting from that plank, drop down, bring that knee up, back up, push up, and back up. If you want to combine it, make it a little faster. And let that relax. All right, 2 more to go. Lateral jumps next. Deep breath. Lateral jumps. Get them going, stay nice and low. And let them relax. 1 exercise left, which is burpees. Nice deep breath in, recover. Drop down, kick those feet out, and right back up. Again, if you want to make it a little bit harder, feel free to add a jump to the top. And let it relax. All right, that's our first group done. Take a short little break, grab a drink of water. We'll be back to starting that second group. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and get ready for group number 2. We've got 6 brand new exercises. Same style though, we're gonna go through all of them, then start over, go through all of them again, and then we're done. Let's go ahead and get my timer started here. All right, our first one is going to be pop squats. So you're gonna start with those feet wide, squat down, center, then out again. Squat, and then to the center. Do a squat there if you want, or you can just do a quick tap. So harder is popping down to a squat in both. A little easier is just doing a pop in the center and squat on the sides. And let that one relax. We've got lizard hops next, so down in a plank, down in push-up position. Start with one hand in, one foot in, then alternate back and forth. Stay low, move those hands and feet back and forth. Try to stay up as best you can. All right, that one's done. Now I've got runners on your left. So left leg is the one you're gonna be supporting yourself with. Right leg back. Just moving that right foot back and forth. Quickly but under control. Using that left leg to support your body weight. Staying nice and low. Let it relax. All right, got jump turns next. So facing one direction, you're gonna jump, do at least a 90, but a full 180 if you can. So squat and jump for the easier version, or full 180. If you've got a lot of control, you might even want to do a full 360. That's up to you. All right, let it relax. Got runners on the right this time. So same thing, except your right is holding you up. Left leg back. So as that left leg comes forward, that right arm goes back. Just like if you were running. Again, staying low on that right leg. Let it relax. We got star jumps next. Feet together. We're gonna squat down center, explode up and out. Down and out, back to that center. Keep those lungs open. And let it relax. All right, we're starting them back over. Starting off that pop squat. Feet wide, squat down, pop to the center. Remember, we can pop right back out for the easier version, or squat for the harder. Keep those lungs open. And let it relax. Lizard hops next. So down in that push-up. Switching back and forth. And let it relax. All right, runners on the left leg next. Left leg forward. Moving that right. Left arm comes back as that right knee comes up. Whew. My legs are getting tired. I don't know about you. All right, let it relax. Our jump turns next. Recover as best you can. And jump 180 if you can, or you can do a 90, just to here and back, whichever you can handle. And let it relax. All right, runners on the right. So right leg forward, left leg back. Left arm comes back as that left leg comes forward. Remember, go as quickly as you can control. You don't ever want to feel like you're out of control going too quickly. Just swinging that arm and leg around. All right, last one, star jumps. Starting close. Squat down. And jump. All right, let it relax. A deep breath. Try to recover. If this is your last routine, then make sure you go and get a cool down in. If you're going on to something else, then have fun with that. We'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, sorry, I almost forgot. This workout is complete. Bye, guys.